Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to check who is stealing your Wi-Fi and how to block them. So guys, if you think someone is stealing your Wi-Fi, then I'm gonna show you how you can find them and block them. Okay guys, so what you need to do, you have to open your web browser and you have to open google.com, and in search box over here you need to type this wireless network watcher. Okay, so we need this small software. So here we have the first link over here from nirsoft.net. so you have to click on this wireless network watcher, and guys, here we have this description of this software. Like wireless network watcher is a small utility that scans your wireless network and displays the list of all computers and devices that are currently connected to your network. And guys, it shows the IP address, the MAC address, and the company that manufactures the network card and the computer name. Okay guys, so here we have the interface over here, so we will just install it. So you have to scroll down and you have to find the setup file. Okay, so here under feedback, here we have this download wireless network watcher in zip file, and this download wireless network watcher with full install and uninstall support. So you have to click on this full install and uninstall support. We will download this one. So as you can see, bottom left of my Chrome browser, it's downloading and it's done. So let me go to the place where I downloaded it. So here I have this setup file. So in order to install the software, you have to double click on it and then click on next, and then click on next, install. As you can see guys, it's installed. Okay, so just click on finish. Okay guys, so as you can see that it's scanning, and it shows the devices that are currently connected to your Wi-Fi. Okay guys, so these are my two phones, and this is my computer, and this is my router. Okay guys, so here you need to click on this start. As you can see, I already the software already scanned it, but you can use this also scan button over here, and if you click on it, it scans the devices that are currently connected to your network, that is Wi-Fi. Okay guys, so here you need to look out for some suspicious devices. Okay, so I don't have any suspicious devices over here, because this is my router, this is my computer, and these are two my phones over here. So you have to look out for some suspicious devices that you think that it's not mine. Okay, so how you can block them? So suppose if I want to block this device, okay, so you have to note this the MAC address of it. Okay, you need to go to your web browser, and you have to open your router administration over here. So you need to type this 192.168.1.1 in your address bar, and click on this. Okay guys, so here we have this username and the password. Okay, so generally the username is admin and the password is also admin, but if you get the error, then you have to contact your network administrator in order to find the password. Okay, so let me click on login. As you can see that I am at my router administration page. Let me close this. Okay, and guys, here you need to find this wireless. So just click on interface setup and then click on wireless. Okay guys, so the interface might look different, but you have to find this wireless. Okay, and you have to scroll down, and you have to find this wireless MAC address filter. Okay, and you have to activate it. I already activated it, and in action you have to click select this deny association. Okay, so let me show you my internet on my phone. Here I have my phone. On this, if I tap on this Chrome browser over here. As you can see, my internet is working. As you can see, my internet is working. Okay, so I wanna block this. Suppose this is my this is not my device and I wanna block that. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys how you can block the device that you think it's not yours. Okay guys, so you have to open your wireless network watcher and just make a note of the MAC address over here. Okay, so let me minimize it and make a note of this over here. Okay, so let me type that 14-1A-A3-97-ED-34. Okay guys, and you have to copy that. We copy that and you have to go to your router administration, and in MAC address 1 actually you can block as many devices. There are 8 addresses that you can block. Okay, so in I just want to block one in order to show you, and you can block any number of devices. Just paste it over here and then click on save. As you can see guys, it's saying that invalid MAC address. Okay, so you just need to replace this dash with colon. So let me do that. I'm just trying to show you so that you won't get error while trying to save. Okay guys, so just copy it and go back and click on OK, and in MAC address paste it over here and then click on save. Okay, so it's now doing the processing and it's now saved. Okay guys, so it's now blocked. Okay, so let me go to my phone and let me check whether internet is working or not. Okay, so let me type that address over here. And guys, you can see that over here it's now blocked. Okay okay guys, so this is really very simple, and you can block the devices very easily that you think it's not yours. Okay, and alternatively you can also change the password of your Wi-Fi by going to maintenance and just okay, not this maintenance. You have to go to the interface and you have to go to the wireless, and here you need to come over here, encryption. Okay, and you have to select this AES, and you have to change this pre-shared key. This is your Wi-Fi password. Okay, so alternatively you can change that as well, and it would work very well. Okay, and also you can block the MAC addresses of the device that you think it's not yours. Okay, so this is really very cool software guys. You can check it out, and let me know in the comment section whether you are able to do that or not. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my other tutorials. Bye bye, take care.